Discover the simplest Fiverr strategy to start earning over $5,000 every month, even without any skills. Using a new AI tool, you can let technology do the work for you. And best of all, it's completely free. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because I'm about to share the exact steps to make money on Fiverr right now. First things first, head over to Fiverr.com and sign up to create your seller account. Once you're in, navigate to the Become a Seller section and set up your profile. It's quick and easy. Now let's talk about the service we'll be offering. Food product labels. These are customized labels you see on packaged items like food, bottles, and condiments. Traditionally, creating these labels required advanced design skills, but not anymore. Thanks to an AI-driven platform, anyone can do it, and I'll show you how. But before we get to that, let's see how much demand there is for this service. On Fiverr alone, there are over 3,900 people offering food product label design, and the demand is huge. Just check out this Pinterest board with over 10 million monthly views, promoting similar services. This tells us there's a massive market for what we're offering. Now let's talk about the tool we'll be using, Kittl. It's an AI-driven platform with a range of tools for creating designs. Sign up for free, and you'll have access to everything you need to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find a variety of design templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your needs and customize it to your liking. With Kittl's easy-to-use interface, you can adjust text, colors, and elements to create the perfect label. But we're not stopping there. We're also going to create mock-ups of our labels to showcase them on Fiverr. With Kittl, generating mock-ups is as simple as clicking a button. Choose a packaging mock-up, resize your label, and download the finished product. It's that easy. Now, it's time to list our service on Fiverr. Start by setting a competitive price and creating your listing. Don't forget to include extras like logo design to make your service stand out. To drive traffic to your listings, use platforms like Pinterest to showcase your work. With a bit of promotion, you'll attract customers in no time. And that's it. With this strategy, you can start making money on Fiverr without any prior skills. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch the dollars roll in.